the SoundPEATS True Capsule versus Apple AirPods 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the SoundPEATS True Capsule and how it compares to the more expensive Apple AirPods 2. I will go over some brief specs, features, provide microphone samples, and give my thoughts on them. I have included the link in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. I've done a complete unboxing and detailed review of both of the earbuds in my previous videos, and I also included the link in the description as well as at the end of the video. So if you want to see the package contents along with the controls in detail, watch those videos. Now let's take a look at some specs. The SoundPEATS True Capsule has 4 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, micro USB for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The Apple AirPods 2 has 5 hours of listening time, 24 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0, it has touch controls and also the Hey Siri function. The charging case uses Lightning and it also has wireless charging. It's not sweat or water resistant. And here are the cases side by side. Both are made of plastic, and you can clearly see that the AirPods case is slimmer and smaller. On the front of the cases, you have the status LEDs, and on the bottom of the AirPods case is the lightning port for charging. Looking at the back, you will see the micro USB port on the True Capsule and the pairing button on the AirPods case. And here is the AirPods case with the wireless charging feature. You can see it work here. The lid on the True Capsule is solid. You can see the padding inside at the top of the lid, and the earbuds are held into place by magnets. The ear indicators are also etched in inside the case. And the AirPods case lid is also solid. Earbuds are also held into place by magnets. The SoundPEATS True Capsule has a stem design like the AirPods and is plastic all around. On the bottom of the stem, you have the left and right ear indicators. Each of the earbuds have an LED indicator, touch control, interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, and microphone. These use touch controls to navigate playback and call controls. The AirPods is slim and also plastic all around. You can see the ear indicators on the bottom as well. The AirPods have dual accelerometers, dual optical sensors, microphones, H1 chipset, antenna, and battery. They also utilize the touch controls along with the voice-activated Hey Siri function. And here they are side by side, very similar in size. The SoundPEATS case comes in at 37 grams, and the AirPods case comes in at 41 grams. The SoundPEATS True Capsule earbuds come in at 11 grams, and the Apple AirPods come in at roughly 8 grams. Now for some microphone samples. This is a test of the SoundPEATS True Capsule microphone. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is a test from the microphone of the Apple AirPods 2. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Both of them performed well during calls and it was loud and clear. You can use the AirPods in mono, left or right side individually, but the SoundPEATS, it will only work with the right side. Watching videos using an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency or disconnects. It also had good range. So here are my thoughts between the two. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. For comfort, the AirPods had an edge on the SoundPEATS due to the fact that it doesn't push into your ear canals. But I did find the SoundPEATS True Capsule to be comfortable as well. Both stayed into place while running, but the AirPods definitely lacks the support and it can easily fall out. Build and quality, I would have to say both are equal. Nothing really stands out. Simple slim design and plastic construction. AirPods do have wireless charging, so if that's a feature you need, then it will have an edge. Also, being able to use the SoundPEATS on the right side for mono is kind of disappointing. Let's talk about the sound. Starting off with the lows, the SoundPEATS definitely stand out, and the AirPods are no match. The SoundPEATS had some nice punchy bass to it, while the AirPods just lacked. Mids and highs, I would say they are fairly equal. The AirPods does edge it out, and I find the vocals and instruments to be cleaner. Treble is not bad for either one, but the AirPods just have a bit more balanced sound, but lacking the bass. So the SoundPEATS True Capsule is my pick. There is tremendous value at $40, and it delivers on the sounds. It has an IPX rating, so this is perfect for active lifestyles, and the microphone quality is good. If you are on a budget and like these styles of earbuds, then these should be on your list in my opinion. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.